So can you see on my screen, this is the new AI automation for social media that I have built recently, and this works really amazing. So the best part about this automation, this whole thing, it will take your social media game to the next level. Why? Because just think about it. Sometimes randomly you get any idea, an interesting idea, but at that time you may be not in a position to go on the social media and create a post, write the caption, and do everything, do the posting. So at that time, if you simply can record, because suppose you got the idea, you have it in your mind, you can simply just say, like, for example, you pick your phone, record the voice message, and done. And then you can post that idea, it will automatically go on your social media in a refined way. So you record something raw, and AI will take that, convert into a polished content, and post it on your social media at that same time. So this is really good and really amazing. I will show you the live demo right now, and then I will show you how you can build it from scratch, step by step, everything. Let me show you the example right now. Hey, so today is an amazing day. I really love it. Since morning to today is everything good. I'm also recording a new YouTube video for my channel where I talk about the AI and automations. And this automation that I am recording is also very cool one, which is good for the people who want their grow social media, organic content, and generate more organic leads. So amazing day, and maybe at the end of the day, I will go out with my friends and enjoy the day. Let's see how it goes. Okay, goodbye. So I just gave the input, a audio message, a random one, and now you can see on my screen what is happening. It is already started running, and here one, two, and now it is over here. The caption is generated, image idea is also generated. Now the image is working. So AI taken the idea of the image generated by the AI, and now it is generating the image, which is also done now. And now it is time to post that image. So let's see. On my social media, I will show you right now. You see it is 3:28. Okay, so it is already posted. Right now 3:28 p.m. on my screen, and let's see the time over here. So where the time is just 4 minutes. Okay, so even though it's don't set the exact minute, but now this is the live post that came on my screen right now. So let's see what it's saying, because then you it will prove that this is the video that I recorded, some message that I just created. Sometimes day flows so beautifully that you can't help but feel grateful for every single moment. From the serene start of this morning to the energy I'm riding on right now, it's been nothing but good vibes all around. Today holds a special kind of excitement too. I have been working on a new YouTube video for my channel, and oh, let me tell you, it's fire. See? So this is the video that the message that I just recorded, it converted into a proper refined text by the AI, and also AI posted it on my channel through this automation. Now let me explain you this automation first, and then I will show you how you can build it from scratch. Okay, so let me show you. So how it works, I go on the Telegram and I give it a input on the Telegram, the voice message. Okay, from there I download that input voice message file from the Telegram, and then I give it to the chat gpt. So what chat gpt do over here, chat gpt have different models. So I use the whisper model of the chat gpt, which can take your audio, convert it into a text, okay, basically transcribing thing, and then it will send it for further assistance. Okay, so here I use the whisper ai, convert my audio into the text. Okay, then what I did, on the basis of my input, I give that input to the ChatGPT again and ask ChatGPT to convert the output, create the output based on my input. So let me also show my prompt that I gave over here. So my prompt is, based on the user input, create an Instagram post caption. Okay. Make sure it conveys a message and maximum 200 words output in my writing style and with proper spacing and new line. So here is the input. Okay. So far here, I asked ChatGPT that use my input, create the output, Instagram caption based on the input that I give. It should be 200 words length max, Okay, and I also asked it to create the content on my writing style. Now further, how do AI know about my writing style? So for that, what I did, I gave it my writing style sample as well. So and here's my article to understand my writing style. Don't copy word by word style, just use it as a reference for my writing style and produce output in my style. And then I gave it a sample and done. So now what it happen? AI take that content, generate the caption, then I asked it to generate the image as well. Okay, but first I need the idea of the image, because every time you create some content, it is something different. So it needs some different image. Okay, so how it will come happen? So I asked AI to generate the idea of the image as well, and then convert that idea into an image. So here I asked AI, you see, which is now I use a different model of the AI, this open AI, which is DALI 3. So I use DALI 3, and yeah, before that I used the generate image prompt. So here I asked it to generate me an image, okay, based on the input that I gave. Okay, let it load and I will show you my prompt. So based on the input, create an idea for the image and relate with the topic. Okay. So whatever my text input was, the audio message, based on that, you have to give the prompt for the image. Basically, describe the image in max 50 words. Okay. And then all the other inputs. And on the basis of that image prompt, I create this image using the model of the OpenAI, which is DALI 3. Okay. Simple. And you can choose the standard, the size, the dimensions, whatever you want. And then I connected it with the Instagram so that it can take my image, my content, and post on the Instagram. Okay, so now let's see, let it build scratch step by step from scratch so you can follow this. So first of all, I do open a new page. Sorry. uh, okay, so here I open the new make scenario. All right, so what I have to do, let copy it from side by side. So first we need to watch the updates. So I will open Telegram over here, search for Telegram, and in that search for watch updates. Now we need to connect it with a webhook. But how do you get this webhook? So for that, you need to go to the Telegram, okay, and search for this bot father. This will help you to create your own bots. Okay. So once you search for this bot father, come over here, click on new bot. Okay. Once you click on this new bot, it will ask you to give the name to this new bot. Okay, so it is asking like give a name. So once you give it a name, just like I give over here, then it will ask you to give it a username. Username should be unique, it should not be something which is already occupied by someone. Okay, so I choose my unique username, and once you've done that, it's done. It will give you a unique API key that you can use. Okay, so this is the API key that I am using. All right, which is for my bot. You will get one for your bot. Once you get that API key, store it safe with yourself. I will show you next step where you have to use this. Now once you do that, come this Telegram bot again, Telegram step, click on the create a webhook. Okay, because I already created my webhook, so I have the connection over here. But you can click on add and give that API key that you just copied over here. Okay, and then you can save it. So I just selected my connection name. Okay, and then click on save, and then save it again. Right, so first step is done. Now we gave the input in the voice format. It will taken by the Telegram. Now we have to download that file. So we will click on this plus sign again and search for Telegram and search for download a file. Okay, then here we need a file ID. So how do you get this file ID? So for that, when I click this, right now there is nothing, so you don't know which file ID you need. Okay, so let me show you here what ID I use. So this is the message voice file ID. So here we need to search for voice. Okay, so right now because there is no input, so nothing is coming over here. So let's see if we scroll down, message. Okay, so we for that let's try this. Let it run. Okay, click on run this module only, and now we get it a voice input. Okay, so that it gets some data. So I'm opening the Telegram. You can do the same time as well. Hey there, can you hear me properly? Okay, I gave it an input. So you can see right now I give it an input on my Telegram and it came over here. So you can't see the message right now because it's not transcribed. But here what we can do, we can use the ID file. So I go back again. Okay, remove this first. Click again. Choose Telegram bot and search for download a file. Now we have to use a file ID. So here you can see message and search for this chat. Nope, not this one. We need a voice file ID. So it is over here. Photo voice here. You see, so here it is file ID. So message voice file ID. Okay, click on save. Now we have completed two steps. Now it is time to bring the AI in the game and convert the voice message into the transcript. So I will click over here and search for the uh, chat GPT. Okay, open the chat GPT, and now we need to use the whisper AI, whisper model. So go over here and choose the create a transcription. So whenever you create it first time, the AI, the OpenAI connection is not there, so you have to do the connection first. So for that, click on this add. Okay, and you need the API key. But where did you get the API key? So click on this, this link. Okay, so for this, you need to create an account on the ChatGPT, and you have to purchase the premium account, which costs around $20 or something a month. Okay, and you can add some token on it, but you can take the free account as well and add a token on the API key. Okay, API tokens. So for that, you don't need to purchase the plan of the premium plan, but you can simply do the purchase the tokens, which cost $5 a month, work for you. So suppose once you get the API key from here after signing up and paying for the tokens, you can come over here, put the API key here and click on save, and then your connection will establish with the ChatGPT, with the OpenAI. Now you have to make sure you choose this Telegram bot download a file option. We don't need to map it manually, and leave everything else like this. Okay, and click on save. We need the JSON output format, nothing else. We need the whisper AI model because that is the only one, and then click on save. So far we take the audio format, download the file, convert into a text. Now what we will do, we will create the caption for the content. So we come over here again, choose the OpenAI. This time we will choose create a completion prompt. Click on this. Now what I will do, I will come over here and copy my prompt. Okay, so let it load. Sometimes it takes time and refresh. Okay, so I will copy my prompt from okay, let this cross, copy this and choose the model, choose the latest model over here. Okay, 4.0 is the latest model so far, but maybe this year it will come with the 5.0 model or something, so I'm waiting for that as well. Let's see what AI will bring, what ChatGPT will bring. Click on this message. In the role, choose user, uh, u- user. Okay, in the content, so whatever you copied, just paste it over here. So you can create your own content. I will give this a whole template in my description, so you can download and you can copy this prompt as well. But yeah, prompt is this one. The remaining thing is the sample from my side. Okay, so this is the basic prompt. Okay. So I give the prompt. Let me read it once again for you. So prompt is based on the okay, based on the user input, create an Instagram post caption. Make sure it convey the message and the maximum 200 words output in my writing style. Okay, with proper spacing and new line. Why 200 words? Because Instagram caption have a limit. If you are using this post for the LinkedIn, for the Facebook, then maybe the limit is different over there. LinkedIn can contain more words. Instagram captions have some limit in the character, so you can't go beyond that. So that's why it's better you limit it down at certain point. Okay, so I choose the 200 words, but maybe you can extend to 300 words. You need to check the exact word count. Okay, then I will click on save. This is done. Okay, one more thing. Over here, you can choose the maximum completion tokens, but this is the good amount of token that you can use. You don't need too much more. So don't increase it until it's a too much big content you are giving to the AI and asking a very big output. Okay, till that time it is fine. All right. So click on save. Now we completed how many steps? Four steps. Now it's time to come up with the image idea because we have done with the image. We have done with the caption. Now let's come with the image idea. So go over here again, search for ChatGPT and choose a create a completion prompt. Okay, so now here I will copy my prompt for the image. Now again, it is not something a very extraordinary prompt. You can simply put in your words what you want for your image. Okay, so on the basis of what I want, I give it the input. I copy this prompt, which is very simple. Come over again, choose the latest model. All right, because right now we are generating the text, so we will choose the ChatGPT o4 model, 4o model. And once we generate the image, then we choose the whisper model. So choose add message. In that role, you choose user, and in the text content, the give the input, give the prompt that you have. So here I said it based on the input, create a idea for the image and related with that topic. You have to give the prompt for the image. Basically, describe the image in max 50 words, and don't write anything else in the output apart from the image description. Simple. Now here you have to give this input, which is the result from the previous prompt. Sorry, not from the previous prompt, but from the this one, the main prompt where we create a transcript. Okay, so that it gets the idea what is the we are talking about. And once you've done that, you don't need to change anything else. Click on save. Okay, we do one more thing because it's looking so messy. So we change the name over here. So let's start from scratch. Okay, so I will give it a name, voice input. Okay, so it is clear. Then download my message. Okay, then this one is doing audio to text. Okay, then here we are generating the image idea. No, here we are generating the caption. So rename. Okay, caption generator. All right, and this is the image idea generator. All right, so now it is looking proper, clean. Now we have done so far. The image idea is done, caption is done, transcription is done. It's time to create the actual image now. So for that, we will choose a new model of the OpenAI. It's a different model. This is DALI 3. So click on this OpenAI and search for where it is, generate an image. Okay, and here you need to click on this model, choose DALI 3. In the prompt, we have already generated the prompt for this image. So which is the last one? Click on the result over here and save. No other changes you need to do. That is all enough. In case if you want the different dimension of the image, okay, then click on this show advanced setting, and here you can choose different dimensions, right? They have three different dimensions. So I will go with the square dimension, which is good for the Instagram. And in the quality you can choose the HD. In the vivid you can choose the natural or vivid, how you want it. And in the responsive format, keep it to the URL. Done. So now leave it till here, and now it's time to do the actual posting. So I will go over here and choose the Instagram. So your Instagram connection is not established so far, so you have to click on this. I will show you. So search on Instagram and search for create a photo post. And here you have to first connect your Facebook account. Okay, so go over here, click on save, and log in through your Facebook ID and password. And then it will automatically ask for few permissions. Give the permissions, and then it will connect automatically. I have the connection established, so I don't do it again. Now what I will do, I simply choose the page where I wanted to do the posting. Okay, so I will choose my page. In the photo URL, you have to click here and choose this URL, which will generate in the last prompt, last step. And in the caption, because we already generated the caption, which is over here, choose this, and done. No other thing you have to do. This is all enough, and click on save. So now we rename this as well with Insta. Okay, and rename this with, okay. So now we have done. Once you completed all this, click on save. And okay, something is remaining. Whisper AI. All right, save. Just make sure everything is done, then click on save. Now we are done with this. It's time to test it out. Okay, so let's save it again. And what I will do now, I will click on this. Okay, and I will give the voice input once again. Find your bot. So where you give the voice input, let me show you. So you see this. So you have to search for whatever the bot you created. Okay, whatever the name of the bot. For that you have to go on the search and search for that bot. Okay, and that bot will appear, and then you have to give that message to the bot. So here my bot is here, and I gave it a lot of voice input, as you can see. So on your bot, you have to first click on start and then give the voice input. So now here I will going to give this voice input. Hey there, so this is a message for everyone on my Instagram. Are you guys ready to deal in this 2025 with the new AI and the automation things coming in? Because AI is already 2 years now in the world, which is already a lot of people using in their business, in their daily life, in their work culture, in their job. Are you guys using it or not? This year I am going to post a lot about the different AI automations that can completely transform your life. So far if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, make sure you go and subscribe my channel as a first thing, and then watch the videos that I recorded for you. And I will see you in the next video. I give the voice input and let's see the output. So it started running. So we completed 2 steps so far. Third step is running right now. Okay, that is done. Audio to text is done. Now content caption generator is also done. Image idea also done. Image generation is processing in, and then we see the uh, posting on the Instagram. So let it run. Okay, let's open this Instagram once again. As you already saw last time, what was my last post? This was the last post. Okay, and now see the new post. So, okay, this is looking. Wow, I love this. This image, I love this. Really beautiful. Okay, so now let me read it once again. So it proves that this is the one I generated right now. If there is one decision that can redefine your life, It's using to transform yourself. Yet, transformation is not just about wishing for change, it's about taking deliberate steps that move you closer to the life you deserve. All right, all right. So, if you are ready for this journey, I have created something special for you, something that can ignite the spark you need to begin. It's waiting for you over my YouTube channel, where I have posted my energy into crafting videos designed to help you see life from a new, empowering perspective. Okay. All right, transformation is not one of events, it's a consistent commitment, it's a growth, learning. All right. So on the basis of my voice input, it can create the output. Okay. And then I create a beautiful image for that. So this is all for this one. And yeah, let me also show you one thing. So the transcription. So here, if you click on this magnifying glass, in the output you can see transform your life so far. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, make sure you go and subscribe my channel as the first thing, and then watch the videos I recorded for you and all that. Okay, so the previous message I want was not that clear, so it did not able to transcribe that, but where I was super clear, it properly create the output. Okay, make sure whenever you give the voice input, it should be clear. Make sure to keep the phone near to your mouth, so it contain there is no background noise over there, and then it will take and do the work properly. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you guys loved it. And yeah, I just like, since last few days I'm researching and working on this, making this automation to work, and the output is really amazing. So I will also give this complete template on my description, so you can download and use it for completely free. You don't need to build it from scratch, use it for free. And make sure to subscribe my channel. I am going to post a lot more videos on these topics about AI, about automations on my channel. And this will help you to take your business, save a lot of time, and make more money. Okay, so this is all for today. I will see you guys in the next video.